Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's discuss how to be a better listener. Listening is often overlooked, but it is one of the most important communication skills. A good listener can improve relationships, resolve conflicts, and help you understand others better. It fosters strong connections and more effective interactions. What is actually active listening? Active listening means fully focusing on the speaker, understanding their message, and responding thoughtfully. It's more than just hearing words, it's about engagement and understanding. Why is active listening important? Active listening improves communication, builds trust, and strengthens relationships by showing respect and empathy. It also helps resolve conflicts by understanding both sides and finding better solutions. Now, how to practice active listening? The first strategy is focus on the speaker and eliminate all the distractions. Your phone should be on one side, the phone should be on silent mode. Do not look here and there. Do not start talking to each other. You have to stay very active and you have to look into the eyes of the speaker. You have to convey to the speaker that yes, you are attentive, you are listening to him or her. Use a body language. The body language that you have to show while listening to somebody is that you have to nod if you agree on something. You have to maintain a good eye contact and leaning slightly forward, showing you are engaged. Do not show in a very relaxed position or carefree position. Avoid interrupting. Let the speaker finish what he or she has to say. Let them finish first. Then you are supposed to ask the questions or answer about anything. The power of empathy in listening. Now, empathy means understanding and sharing another person's feelings. It shows that you care about the speaker's thoughts and emotions, helping to build stronger, more supportive relationships. Listening in personal relationships. Now, why we should listen while we are maintaining relationships with our family, friends, co-workers, relatives? Point number one is that it helps us to understand other people. We can understand their feelings, we can understand their needs. It also develops a stronger emotional connection. It also shows that we value their thoughts, their ideas, their emotions. And last but not the least, the most important thing is conflict resolution. When we start understanding other people, it also solves our conflicts as well. Instead of going into fight, yelling on each other, it's better to resolve the issues and finding an effective and efficient solution. Listening in professional settings. Once we are working somewhere, if we are doing our own business as well, there are three things that will be really helpful for us if we will focus on attentive listening. It develops collaboration. That means team members communicate and work together more effectively. Leadership. Leaders who listen well are trusted and respected. That's the most important thing. And last but not the least, the problem solving issue. Listening to all ideas help find better solution. Common barriers to listening. Distractions like phones, noise, or multitasking can interfere with listening, as can prejudices or biases that lead to judging someone's opinion before they finish. Emotional interactions or emotional reactions may also cloud your judgment. The solution is to be mindful of these barriers and consciously focus on the speaker. Being a better listener improves communication, strengthens relationships, and resolves conflicts. To practice active listening, focus on the speaker, avoid distractions, use empathy to understand their feelings, and ask questions to show understanding. I hope this was a helpful session for all of you. If you liked the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.